you ready?
Head. Head. He has a headache after the long day. Hand. Hand. He raised his hand to ask a question. Leg. Leg. His leg was injured during the soccer game. Arm. Arm. He lifted the heavy box with his strong arm. Foot. Foot. He stepped on a rock with his bare foot. Knee. Knee. He knelt down on one knee to propose to her. Eye. Eye. He has blue eyes that sparkle in the sunlight. Nose. Nose. She smelled the fresh flowers with her nose. Mouth. Mouth. He opened his mouth to speak. Ear. Ear. He whispered a secret into her ear. Hair. Hair. She has long, curly hair that everyone admires. Head. Hand. Arm. Foot. Eye. Nose. Mouth. Ear. Hair. Knee. Leg. Congratulations! See you later.